Hello, welcome to Future Today Edutech Hub. Okay, Lisa, Ikorodu, Lagos, Nigeria. Students who are desirous of joining us offline can come to our hub at Okay, Lisa, Ikorodu, Lagos. Those desirous of joining us online can find us at www.futuretodayedutechhub.wasioedepo.com.ng. They can go through our website, and if they are satisfied, they can join our learning management system by clicking on Filtered Learning. From there, they will be taken to the home page of our learning management system. They can now decide to register. Here, they have access to in-person teachers that engages them in personalized content and insight across all content. They can take a look at some of the products that have been developed by some of our students in the past.
Welcome to Future Today Edutech Hub. Hi, I am Achijola Luwa, your virtual anchor. Today we wish to extend our business strategy class to our Yoruba audience. Come along as my colleague makes an attempt to speak in Yoruba.
Nígbà tí àwọn ètò wà lórí èsì dédé.
These are some of what has been developed by some of our students. These are our online classes that are going on, and the students can see them. Now, if they are contented and they wish to join any of our classes, they can come here and register on our learning management system. And when they register, after registration, they can access any of our pre-recorded courses, and they can also register for our in-person classes. These are some of our past programs on display on our website.
Notify, so you can actually click on it.
These are some of our past programs that are on display on our website, and students can join any of these in-person classes to learn.
I've started recording. Abubakar,
So
you have the phone now.
this was a program that we held in collaboration with one of our technical partners, Ilmomap, where we train African students on design thinking and mobile app development, as well as game development. This program was held. It was tagged African the RoboG 2022, the African Challenge. It was an international online training and competition on the UN SDGs. This is our students on display here at one of the exhibitions organized by the Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative, and that is the Honorable Commissioner, Honorable Dr. Mrs. Olakande, at our stand. This is our students here. This is our offline students that are taking courses during one of our classes offline. We invite you to join us at Future Today Edutech Hub to produce